Hey guys, it's Kaitlyn. I have been on a mission to create the ultimate chocolate chip cookie. Crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside. And after countless batches, I have finally created the ultimate chocolate chip cookie. For this recipe, you could use a large bowl and a spatula, or you could use an electric mixer. To get started, let's preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's add 8 tablespoons of melted butter, or a half cup, or 113 grams. A half cup of white sugar, or 100 grams. Next, we're gonna add a half cup, or 110 grams, of firmly packed light brown sugar. We're using light brown sugar because it holds moisture, giving us a really chewy cookie, and that is exactly what we're going for today. Now we're gonna mix the ingredients for 30 seconds on medium speed until creamy. Now that that's all nice and creamy, we're gonna add in 1 egg. And now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Try to use a really good quality. I'm gonna be using Nielsen Massey for the first time. I've heard so many good things about it. Every baker raves about it, so we're gonna give it a try, and I'm gonna let you guys know if it really makes a difference. Now we're gonna mix all of these ingredients together for around 10 to 15 seconds. And we're gonna add in our dry ingredients. We're gonna add 1.5 cups, or 192 grams of all-purpose flour, and a half teaspoon of baking soda. And now we're gonna mix these ingredients until well combined. And now for my favorite part, the chocolate. We're gonna need 120 grams, or if you're using chocolate chips, 3/4 cup. I'm using dark chocolate. You could use semi-sweet, but I love this dark chocolate. It's 57%. Remember, the higher you go, the more bitter it's gonna be, so this is a great percentage for me. I love to leave big chunks of chocolate like this, because when you place that in the batter and they bake, you're gonna get that nice cookie tear with those gooey chocolatey strands, and it leaves big pockets of chocolate. So if you're chopping your own chocolate, make sure to leave some big chunks. And now, using our spatula, we're gonna fold the chocolate in. Now we're gonna scoop our cookies onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. I love using this really large ice cream scoop. It makes big, chunky cookies. Now, when we're scooping the cookies this big, we can only fit around 4 or 5 on each baking sheet, so make sure you have a couple prepared. We're gonna bake these at 350 degrees for around 9 to 15 minutes, depending on how big your cookies are, so keep an eye on them. Right when these cookies come out of the oven, we wanna sprinkle them immediately with some flaky sea salt. Don't skip this step, it makes a huge difference. And that's how you make my ultimate chocolate chip cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to smash that like button and comment down below if you're team crispy cookie or you love chewy cookies. Check out more videos here and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I love you guys, and I will see you next time.